Hello guys, today we're gonna learn how to clean up your computer and make it run faster, 100% faster, and we're gonna learn how to clean the cache and cookies and this stuff. Let's start. First thing, you need to click on Windows button and R to open run, or you can go here and type run. After you open run, right here prefetch, just like this, prefetch, and then OK. When you open that, mark anything. This stuff, they all cookies, they all, some stuff your PC doesn't use it, so mark anyone and click Ctrl A and then delete. Click on skip because your PC only using this one, so all the other stuff they're not using now. After you're done, click X and again Windows bottom and R, then click temp. Most of you guys know this thing, but you need to do it actually every week. That's help to your computer run faster. Again, mark anyone and then Ctrl A, then delete, skip. Do this for all current, skip. That's it. Your PC only using this stuff, the all other stuff they wasn't using. Then again click X and Windows button and R, again with the temp, but write percentage temp, then again percentage, then OK. Oh my god, that's too much. See, all this stuff they all not using. So mark anyone and then Ctrl A, then delete, skip, skip. Again, whenever you're done, close this thing and go again for Windows bottom and R. So here you need to type clean mgr, then OK. On clean mgr, you need to check all this. You see, I have till 3.86 gigabyte. This clean up to free, so they're all big stuff here. And recycle everything, or recycle, maybe I will do it automatic. Yes, and then click on recycle, then OK, then delete files. Thank you for watching guys. Hopefully this video helped you to clean up your computer and make it run faster. Please hit like button and subscribe the channel for more clips coming soon, and to support us make more videos. Thank you so much.